everybody, welcome to Alicia today. So I know I've been gone for a little while, but I was just trying to figure out a different computer to get because the one I was using was not very helpful when I was trying to upload videos. So I got a MacBook. So if you guys have any pointers on how to kind of get around using it, because I'm a complete newbie, but I guess when I was doing my research, sorry for the glare on my glasses, when I was doing my research, I found that everybody was suggesting to get a MacBook. So I got a MacBook, and so I'm testing it out now just to see like if I'm going to be able to be more efficient at editing videos, because as you guys may or may not know, I am a mom, 2 kids, and I do work full time, and I am trying to basically grow my small business. So anyways, I just wanted to come to you guys and to let you know that I know I've been gone for a little bit, but I plan to be back full speed if I can. And so I just wanted to update you guys, and then also do a I should say, maybe, I guess you could say, product review. These are some of the things that I'm selling. And I am using Printify, so the print on demand. And I decided that I wanted to order some of the samples of the things that the designs I put on there, just to make sure that it's going to be quality. So when people order them, that I know that it's going to be good and I'm not going to have any problems. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, okay, so the first thing I got was this Sherpa fleece blanket. So I did a design of this and I put it on there. And let me tell you guys, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that your the size of your design, if you can, to match it up to the sizing that it says in there. So at first I just had like a smaller picture and I stretched it, and I saw that it said like low resolution, and so then I made a bigger picture, it said medium resolution, but then I was like, no, I want to make it as big as I can. And I use Canva, but Canva doesn't go as big as this design. So in Printify, like I said, it's the Sherpa fleece blanket, and I can't remember who was the person or the company that makes them, so I'll link that down in the description below. But anyways, so I ended up making my Canva one as big as I can, and then I was like, this is not going to work. Like I said, I think it gave me maybe medium resolution. So then I went to a website that I found, and I'll link that below too, because I forgot that fast, and I was able to do a free way to size it, and I literally put it exactly the dimensions that Canva said on there. So this is how it turned out. I feel like this is a really nice blanket. Like, it's really soft on this one side, and the design came out really good. It's very vibrant, as you can see. So on this design, I have like a little beaker, I have the ruler with the footprint, and I work in toxicology, so I also have like biohazard, you can see that on there, blood rack, or I should say a tube rack with blood, or vials with blood in it, and then evidence marker with the, let me see, where is it? I don't know if that is. Let's see, a fingerprint. It's either like a bullet or like a drug, I'm not quite sure. This one has blood splatter, a microscope, and evidence. And let's see, where's the other one? There's one more. The USB. So I tried to make it so it kind of like covered a lot of things. And then I have at the top like evidence tape, so do not tamper. So I thought that was like a cute little addition. Also, I do have, let's see, I do have some stuff that I did not do on print on demand, so I'll show you guys that last so I don't mix you up. Okay, so there's this, and it's a really big blanket. I don't know if you guys, let's see, how can I show you that? Let me see. And like, disregard my room because this is the kids area. But anyways, so basically it's bigger than me. Like, I am 5'7", and if I put the blanket tall ways, like, it's big. Okay, so I felt like that was really good company to use, and like I said, just make sure you're putting the correct size. Okay, next I wanted to show you my, this is another thing. So this is kind of that same design, but this one, the other one was the blue gradient with a red evidence tape. This one is, let's see, it's a black to gray gradient. I don't know if you can tell where I am. It's kind of like the lighting's not that great. Let's see. So I can turn it a little bit. Okay, and this one has yellow evidence tape. And the same thing, I have the same things on there, the microscope, the fingerprint, but I have this one is a heart and blood splatter, you know, so that's cute. And I thought that turned out really good as well. So these cases are also available. And I'll link my website so that you guys can check it out. Actually, it's on my page. So if you guys go to my page, you can see the link there. And then this one. Then I got a bag too. So this is the medium size bag. And this one is really big actually. Same design again. This one is the same as the phone. So it has the black and gray gradient with the evidence tape at the top that's yellow. And it's a different design for the evidence tape. And it's pretty much the same design on both sides. And I thought that came out very well. Again, I will link down in the description what print on demand company that I use, so that if you guys are interested and you see how the finished works look, that you can check that out too. I also wanted to say, because I don't know if you can see how big it is. Let's see. So it's a really good size. I actually can fit a bunch of stuff in there. So I can fit my phone, of course, because it's a big bag, but you know, this blanket that I just showed you guys. So that one fits in here, and like I said, I'll link down in the description the size of the of this bag, because this is not the smallest one. This is like the medium size one. And look, so that's in there, and literally there's still plenty of space. I think that's all I brought. Oh, you know what? Let me come right back. I'm gonna go get one more thing that I got. Okay, so I'm back. Let's see, I got a bunch of them, so put those down. Okay, so this is one more thing that I got. And like I said, I'll share with you guys also, like I said, from Printify, and which manufacturer I use. So this, I made a forensic science themed Christmas sweater, or they call it a sweatshirt on there. This is a size medium. I am 5'7", about 145 pounds, so this is a medium on me. So plenty of space. I have a shirt on underneath, and I thought this was super cute. It turned out really good. So it says Merry Christmas Forensics, and it has like a little gingerbread man with some evidence tape, elves on the shelves, even though it's a fireplace. Has Santa's footprints, and I have like a, it could be like a snowman, crime scene snowman, like it could be a coffee cup if you want, but I think it's like hot chocolate for me because I like hot chocolate. And it has like a little candy cane with the black and yellow stripes. And then let's see, then I have different stockings, so I try to make different stockings for different sections. So if you don't see, like if you like this shirt and you want it to be a different section on there, so say if you work in digital forensics, I didn't put that, but like I can change the design around because this is the design I made. But then like I have drugs, I have biology, firearms, so it has like microscopes, bullets, CSI, so crime scene investigation, and there's camera, let's see, flashlight, and then toxicology. Like I said, I work in toxicology, and there's a blood tube, pipette, biohazard. So yeah, I thought this one turned out really cute. I actually looked at the design on this, and I think that it was what do you call it, like the quality, when I was talking about the quality before. So it was medium, but it was on the high medium side. But then I was like, oh, you know what, let me go back and use that free tool I found to make the size bigger. And so then I made it more of a high resolution. So my thoughts are, this one looks really good already, that it would look even better, but like this is fine. So I'm ready for Christmas. All right. Okay, so this is just something quick because this was more so like for print on demand to show you, you know, some results on using some companies off Printify if maybe you're interested. However, I just want to throw in there some other stuff that I actually make in-house because I have a lot of designs and a lot of stuff that I make, and I can't do it all on my own because, you know, I'm pretty much working for myself right now. So let me show you some tumblers, okay? So I have some Halloween tumblers I made. So I have this one, says forensics at the bottom with the skull, has some bats with fingerprints and flashlight, and then I have a crime scene, spooky crime scene tree, and it has like evidence all in it and crime scene tape and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in some cool forensics tumblers, I have a lot of them. So let me show a different version of this one. So then I have this purple one. So it's this pretty much the same thing, just a little bit different colors. This one is like forensics on it, but it's like a grayish color on there. And then let's see, it's kind of going out of the light. Let's see. And then same thing, the spooky tree, and it's just a different color background. I changed some of the colors so stuff will stand out more. Okay. This was my first ever tumbler I made, and so this one has like forensics on it, and this is one that could be personalized, so it doesn't have to say forensics. It can say like, you know, Christina or whatever right there, and then you can get this one in different colors. So like right now I have the options. You can get it in black for the font, blue or red, and then I have like different things, crime scene related, forensic science related. Okay. And then I have a bunch of these in different colors. So literally you can choose what color evidence tape you want, and then the design. So I have like a blue to pink gradient with, you can get this in yellow, blue evidence tape, or the red evidence tape. And the evidence tape, it looks different on each one. So basically this one says like evidence tamper, do not tamper. The yellow one just says evidence a bunch of times, a different type of font sizes. And this one just says evidence, that's it on the blue. And so like I said, this tumbler comes in the blue to like a dark blue to light blue gradient. And you can see this is that same one with a different color evidence tape. And then this is the pink one. And then the last color I have, let's see, do I have one? Oh, this one. So then this one is like a black to gray. So that's pretty much the same design for like the body of it, but the evidence tape is different, and then the background color is different. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys are interested in doing print on demand and using Printify, because I actually been using it for a little bit. I'm starting to get more into it and stuff. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get back to you guys with more content. Also, let me know if you have any questions about anything that I've shown. All right, stay blessed. Thank you for watching.